How are DNA, genes, and alleles related to chromosomes? Imagine your body as a vast library where every book holds instructions for building and running your body. These books are made of a special code called DNA, which stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is a long, twisting molecule that contains all the information needed to create and maintain life. Inside your cells, this DNA is tightly packed into structures called chromosomes, which are like bookshelves holding many books. Chromosomes are made of DNA wrapped around proteins, helping them stay organized and compact. Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes, one set inherited from each parent. Each chromosome contains hundreds to thousands of genes, which are specific segments of the DNA. Think of a gene as a chapter in a book that gives instructions for making a particular protein or RNA. These proteins do many jobs, like determining a color, hair type, or how your body processes food. Within each gene, there can be different versions called alleles. Alleles are like different editions of the same book chapter. For example, a gene that influences a color might have an allele for blue eyes and another for brown eyes. Since you inherit one chromosome from your mother and one from your father, you have two alleles for each gene. The combination of these alleles helps decide your traits. So, to connect all the dots, chromosomes are the big structures made of tightly coiled DNA. Genes are specific parts of that DNA that tell your body how to make certain proteins. Alleles are the different forms of those genes, which can vary from person to person. When your parents pass on their chromosomes, they also pass on their genes and alleles, which shape your unique features. This system explains how traits are inherited and why you might share some features with your family members. It also shows how genetic diversity develops in populations. Understanding how DNA, genes, alleles, and chromosomes work together helps scientists learn about health, heredity, and even how species evolve over time. Every living thing relies on this intricate but fascinating genetic blueprint to grow, develop, and survive.